I wake up around 10 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, okay.
So
You slept lately or what? Like last night
yeah,
you didn't sleep? Okay.
yeah.
Oh,
I didn't sleep
uh-huh.
better, and then at last I slept. When I wake up, it was 10 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
We have discussed Infoset queries. So we will see Infoset queries again.
Okay.
It was not showing. So maybe the tables have the problem. We will try another table.
Okay.
Now, for Infoset queries, you have to go to the transaction code SQ02, and we have okay. Give the name and description and authorization group and the basis table to join. Once you give the base table, after that you can join any number of tables. So that's the mandatory things you have to give to start. So yeah, okay. I see. So once you give the base table, continue with this, and you have to go to the edit and insert table. Here we'll give. So it will show the automatic join conditions. If it doesn't show, you have to. If you know that there is a join, you have to give the join yourself. Once you give the join, you have to select on the info set, and here you have to give create empty field groups and select the fields you want to create. So there are two field groups created, one for each table, and it's up to you how many fields you drag there. And you have to just drag the fields that you require for the report. So this one is the delivery data. So we will find all the details of delivery, etc. So this is, there are a lot of fields. So let's create it with our fields. We took a lot of fields here as well, and you have to click generate. Once you click generate button, it will generate an infoset. You can see the infoset says TI set is generated, and save it. Go back and assign our field group inside iset. So this is our group. I have to save it here. Now you have to go to the transaction code SQ01, and here you have to create that I said GRP. So here you have to give the output. This is the query we are creating. The net value, sales document. This was alright. Gross weight unit, and material number, sales document, batch number. So yes, they will do. I will give material number as. So you will see the data here, and this is the output of the query. It means that our query is working, and whatever we have created, it is giving the data.
Okay.
So we can save this, and we can create our data source now. For that you have to go to RSO2, and here you have to create a data source. I will give st here. Okay, so okay, so we are going to extract from the query. The query's name is set st underscore iset, and we got to save this. Okay, you need some more selections here. Execute it. So our data source has generated successfully. We can give generic delta as well if you wish to. In order to give the generic delta, you should have either numeric. A numeric pointer is not available here. Either you have a calendar day or timestamp. There are timestamp available in this data source. So either we can give calendar day or timestamp based on the requirement. Okay, someone from US missed call. Okay, so we were at selecting the field. So we would select some field like value to some date field if you want to give a date on which record was created is what appropriate here. So we want to give generic delta. So we have given generic delta for upper limit. I'm giving upper limit for 1 day. It means it will miss 1 day data, and that 1 day recent data will be extracted in the next extraction. For example, if you are extracting a weekly basis, on weekly basis, for example, you are extracting every Monday, right? So
Yeah.
it will miss the Sunday data, and it will load up to Saturday. So this Sunday data will be extracted on next Monday. So that is how it works, and for that, for upper limit, you have to give additive delta and save it. So once you save this, you have to give changes were made, so you have to do the changes again. So give the selections and save it again. So you saved, and we will test this data source in RSA3. What data source is that?
Mm, We have to look at
st underscore ISTS. Yeah, there is data 1000 records. So let me see with the 10,000. Oh, there's a lot of data.
it.
One, two, three, four. Only 10,000.
10,000
And
only.
how much data is there? Okay, 16,000 only. So we can check the data here. Go to the data packets, and once one data packet is selected, so let me see what data is there. So you can see this is the data available. So it is well and good, and here once you get the data here, you know the procedure in BW, the same procedure you have to follow
Okay.
to extract the data.
Okay.
So we have completed the Infoset queries, and now we are going to discuss the functional module and generic data sources based on the functional module. We are going to create a generic data source, and we are going to write a code, and we will pass the data with the help of that code. So can I take a 5 minute break? I want to
Yeah, yeah.
call this number.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe this is an inquiry.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, I will see you in 5 minutes.
Okay.
You can take a break.